just some good Florida weather.
Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to go over the launch control feature on the Cobb. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to I saw a squirrel. There's a squirrel eating a nut. Oh, is this the guy? I keep seeing little squirrel prints. Little squirrel eats these nuts on my car, and I think I just caught him. Look, if he jumps, oh, I'm gonna get, oh. Alright, you better go over there. So I recently installed the Cobb Intake along with the Accessport, and this is gonna be my first time really messing around with the launch control. So we're gonna go over it real quick, and if you guys have any tips or tricks that you may use, I mean, it's pretty straightforward from what I've researched. You set it to the RPM you want, you hold the gas pedal down, it's just gonna womp 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 at that RPM that you like, and then you slowly lift off the clutch till you feel your car start to move, say 1 mile per hour, and then from there you release it quickly. So we're gonna do some test runs with this and see how it goes. So hope you guys learned something. Alright, so first we're gonna start off. When you start the car, it goes to this screen here, the gauges. So we're gonna go back. We are gonna go up to, whoops, not up to. We are gonna go down to tune. We're gonna go to adjustments. And then we're gonna go to launch control. All right, so I currently have my launch control set up at 4700. Let's see, you could adjust it to whatever you want. So for demonstration purposes, let's go ahead and put it to 3500. Hit OK. So now it's set. So let's go back to the gauges. Oops, gauges. All right, so right now I'm in neutral. So if I were to rev it up, oh my god, I'm not on a flat surface, so I'm rolling back right now. Here, we'll do this. Let me continue this where I'm going to launch in let's call it Mexico. All right, so now that the RPMs or the launch control is set at, I think I set it to 3500. So now if you're in neutral, you rev it, it's gonna go past. It's not gonna work. So it goes past the RPMs. Now if you put the clutch in, you put it in first gear, and now you're gonna hold the gas pedal down. Launch control is activated. So now let's test out some launch control. I'm gonna change it now to, should I change it to like 5,000 RPM? All right, so now we're at, we have the launch control set to 5,000 RPMs. So let's see what the boost builds to at 5,000 RPMs. Put in first. All right. So it looked like it hit about -2. All right, so we have the launch control set at 5,000 RPM. So now let's try to see what the boost builds to at 5,000 RPM. A lot more. All right, so now I'm just gonna rev it to 5,000 RPMs and hold it without the launch control and see what the boost goes to. That's it right there. All right, AC's off. What else? Traction control off. We're in Sport Plus mode. So we're gonna bring the RPMs up. That felt better. There we go. All right. Oh, that felt good. So much fun. thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Whoo! Man, is it hot. Make sure it's recording. Bring it over here. Look, you have the cap on it, like wasting this launch. Come here, come here. Installed the Cobb Accessport in my short flow. Wow. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to go over the